Hey everyone, you know we about money over here, baby, and get this. Did you know you can actually contribute way more money each year with a Roth 401k compared to a Roth IRA? I'm talking potentially tens of thousands of dollars more. We're diving deep into the battle of the Roth's Roth 401k versus Roth IRA. Now, if you're anything like me, you're obsessed with optimizing your finances and squeezing every last bit of growth out of your investments. And when it comes to retirement planning, choosing the right account can make a huge difference in how much money you end up with. So, whether you're just starting out on your investing journey or you're a seasoned pro looking to fine-tune your strategy, this video is for you. We're breaking down the pros and cons of each account, busting some common myths, and by the end, you'll know exactly which Roth option reigns supreme for your specific situation. Let's get started. Alright, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's clear up some common misconceptions about Roth accounts. There are a lot of myths floating around, and it's important to separate fact from fiction so you can make the best decisions for your financial future. First off, a Roth 401k is not the same thing as a traditional 401k. They might sound similar, but they have some key differences that can significantly impact your retirement savings strategy. With a traditional 401k, you contribute pre-tax dollars, meaning you get a tax break up front, but you pay taxes on the money when you withdraw it in retirement. This can be beneficial if you expect to be in a lower tax bracket when you retire. Now, with a Roth 401k or a Roth IRA, you're contributing after-tax dollars. This means you don't get that immediate tax deduction. But here's the kicker. All those sweet investment gains and withdrawals in retirement, completely tax-free. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your retirement income won't be eroded by taxes. This means you don't get that immediate tax deduction, but here's the kicker. All those sweet investment gains and withdrawals in retirement, completely tax-free. This can be a game changer for your retirement planning, allowing you to maximize your savings and enjoy your golden years without worrying about tax implications. That's right, Uncle Sam can't touch your hard-earned money when you're sipping margaritas on the beach. Picture yourself enjoying a stress-free retirement, knowing that your savings are working for you without any tax burdens. Another myth I hear all the time is that Roth accounts are only for young people. While it's true that the magic of compound interest works best the earlier you start, Roth accounts can be a fantastic option for older investors too, especially if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in retirement. It's never too late to take advantage of the benefits that Roth accounts offer. While it's true that the magic of compound interest works best the earlier you start, Roth accounts can be a fantastic option for older investors too, especially if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in retirement. Think about it. Wouldn't it be nice to have a stash of completely tax-free income to supplement your Social Security and other retirement income streams? This can provide a significant boost to your financial security in retirement. Think about it. Wouldn't it be nice to have a stash of completely tax-free income to supplement your Social Security and other retirement income streams? This can provide a significant boost to your financial security in retirement. Having multiple sources of income that are not subject to taxes can make a big difference in your overall financial well-being. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Graham, Roth IRAs have income limits. What if I make too much money? This is a common concern, but there's a solution that many people overlook. And you're right, Roth IRAs do have those pesky income limits. If your income exceeds a certain threshold, you may not be eligible to contribute directly to a Roth IRA. But don't worry, there's a workaround. But here's the thing, Roth 401ks don't. That's right, no matter how much money you're raking in, you can still contribute to a Roth 401k if your employer offers it. This can be a great way to take advantage of the benefits of Roth accounts without worrying about income limits. That's right, no matter how much money you're raking in, you can still contribute to a Roth 401k if your employer offers it. This can be a powerful tool for high earners looking to maximize their retirement savings and take advantage of tax-free growth. So, if you're a high earner, a Roth 401k might be the perfect way to supercharge your retirement savings. By taking advantage of this option, you can ensure that your retirement years are financially secure and free from the stress of tax burdens. Don't let these myths hold you back from making the most of your retirement savings opportunities. Alright, let's get down to business and talk about why Roth 401ks deserve a standing ovation. These retirement accounts offer some truly remarkable benefits that can make a significant difference in your financial future. First up, the contribution limits. This is a game changer for many people looking to maximize their retirement savings. With a Roth IRA, you're limited to contributing $6,500 per year if you're under 50, or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. While these limits are helpful, they might not be enough for those who want to save more aggressively. Now that's not chump change, but with a Roth 401k, hold on to your hats, because you can contribute up to a whopping $22,500 per year, or $30,000 if you're 50 or older. This allows you to supercharge your retirement savings in a way that a Roth IRA simply can't match. That's right, you can potentially sock away over 3 times as much money each year with a Roth 401k. This can make a massive difference in your retirement nest egg. And remember, those contributions are growing tax-free, which means your money can grow even faster. So the difference in your nest egg over time can be absolutely mind-blowing. Next up, employer matching. This is where things get really exciting. One of the biggest perks of a 401k, whether it's traditional or Roth, is the potential for employer matching contributions. This can significantly boost your retirement savings. This is essentially free money, people. It's like getting a bonus just for saving for your future. Let's say your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary. If you're making $100,000 per year, that means you could be getting an extra $3,000 in free money from your employer just for saving for retirement. This can add up to a substantial amount over the years, giving your retirement savings a significant boost. Now here's the thing, Roth IRAs don't have employer matching. This is a major disadvantage if you're looking to maximize your retirement savings. So, if your employer offers a match, contributing enough to get the full match should be your top priority. It's free money that you don't want to leave on the table. Finally, let's talk about investment options. This is another area where Roth 401ks and Roth IRAs differ significantly. With a Roth IRA, you have the freedom to invest in a wide range of assets, giving you more control over your investment strategy, from individual stocks and bonds to mutual funds, ETFs, and even real estate. This flexibility can be a huge advantage for savvy investors looking to diversify their portfolios. And while Roth 401ks typically offer a more limited selection of investment options, they often include low-cost, target-date funds. These funds automatically adjust their asset allocation as you get closer to retirement, making them a great set-it-and-forget-it option for hands-off investors. These funds are designed to become more conservative as you approach retirement age, reducing risk and helping to protect your savings, making them a great set-it-and-forget-it option for hands-off investors. So, there you have it, 3 shocking advantages of Roth 401ks over Roth IRAs. If you're looking to maximize your retirement savings, a Roth 401k might just be the way to go. Chapter 3. Who wins the Roth showdown? So after that breakdown, you might be wondering, who comes out on top in the battle between Roth 401ks and Roth IRAs? Well, like most things in personal finance, it depends on a variety of factors unique to your situation. If you're just starting out in your career and your employer offers a Roth 401k with a matching contribution, that's usually the best place to start. Employer matches are essentially free money, and you don't want to leave that on the table. Contribute enough to get the full match, which maximizes the benefit you receive from your employer. After securing the full match, you can always open a Roth IRA on the side to further maximize your retirement contributions. This way, you can take advantage of the benefits both accounts offer. Now, if your employer doesn't offer a Roth 401k or a matching contribution, a Roth IRA is a fantastic option to consider. It provides you with more control over your investment choices and flexibility in managing your retirement funds. With a Roth IRA, you have the freedom to choose from a wider range of investment options, including individual stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Plus, you still get to enjoy those sweet tax-free withdrawals in retirement, which can significantly boost your financial security during your golden years. But here's the thing. Even if you start with a Roth 401k, you don't have to stay married to it forever. Your financial journey is dynamic, and your needs may change over time. Once you leave your job, you have the option to roll over your Roth 401k into a Roth IRA. This can be a strategic move to consolidate your retirement accounts and simplify your financial management. Rolling over to a Roth IRA can give you more investment flexibility, allowing you to tailor your portfolio to better meet your retirement goals. Additionally, you might find that a Roth IRA offers lower fees compared to a Roth 401k, depending on the provider you choose. Lower fees mean more of your money stays invested and working for you. The bottom line is, both Roth 401ks and Roth IRAs are powerful tools for building a comfortable retirement. Each has its own set of advantages, and the best choice for you will depend on your individual circumstances. Factors such as your income, employer benefits, and investment goals will play a crucial role in determining which account is the best fit for you. So take the time to evaluate your options carefully. Consider your current financial situation, your future goals, and the specific features of each account. Do your research, crunch the numbers, and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Making an informed decision now can set you up for a more secure and prosperous retirement. Ultimately, the choice between a Roth 401k and a Roth IRA should align with your long-term financial plan and help you achieve the retirement lifestyle you envision. So, there you have it, folks. The Roth 401k versus Roth IRA showdown. We've covered a lot of ground today, from busting common myths to uncovering the surprising advantages of the Roth 401k. Remember, it all boils down to maximizing those tax advantages and setting yourself up for a brighter financial future. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you experienced the power of Roth accounts firsthand? Which one do you prefer and why? Drop a comment below and let's keep this conversation going. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more juicy financial tips and tricks to help you master your money. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and keep crushing those financial goals.